This is your last chance to buy crypto before we see record-breaking numbers, is what many people are currently saying. Well, I've done many videos in the past saying how this is your last chance to buy altcoins, how this is a great opportunity. This time things are a little bit different. So today's video, I wanted to take a minute to talk about what key things are going on in the market. I wanted to talk about some of our favorite projects like Torum and also a meme coin in particular that a lot of you guys have been requesting a review about. So we're going to go over everything you need to know. And if you enjoy short form, concise, no BS content that doesn't waste either of our times, make sure to drop a like on the video as we close in on 300,000 subscribers. If you hate the content, leave a dislike. Tell me you don't like the videos as well. Anyways, right now the overall crypto market is sitting at a $2.67 trillion market cap, and we're seeing everything bounce back. Almost every single coin in the top 100 is currently in the green after seeing a couple of days in the red. Key thing here with technical indicators is that right now we are seeing that Bitcoin and the entire crypto market is starting to break out into a very, very bullish place. Right now we are seeing with Bitcoin that it is breaking above this RSI trend line. You can see right here drawn in this yellow, breaking above that downward trend line that we had seen forming, which is a very bullish sign. Not only that though, when we look at the price charts on the top of the screen, we can see that Bitcoin is also breaking above this downward trending pattern that we had seen form over the last couple of weeks and for much of the month of November. So this is all very bullish. Second thing is that we're seeing that right now, Ethereum to Bitcoin ratio. Right now, we see that trend line every single time that we have broken above that trend line. Right around Thanksgiving, 2017, now in 2021. Well, every time we have seen it break above this line, well, we have seen very, very big gains for altcoins in particular and really the entire crypto market. And we're seeing the exact same thing to happen right now. You could see 2017 ETH to Bitcoin. As soon as we broke above it, we saw massive gains. Same thing looks like it's going to happen now. Last two things with the overall market before we dive deeper into a couple of projects is first, Bitcoin options. A lot of them are set to expire, and many people were thinking that bears were going to profit about $365 million, but that is not looking like it's going to be the case. We had seen Bitcoin really down significantly. We thought bears were really going to profit from all of these options expiring, but as long as Bitcoin's price stays above $58,000 per coin, well, that is going to be net result is going to be balanced. But bears aren't going to profit, bulls aren't going to profit, which is a good thing. And also with Ethereum, very similar as well. Bulls are actually likely to profit about $130 million. All this money is just going to be poured back into Ethereum whenever we see all these options expire. When bulls profit, they take that profit, put it back into Ethereum, put it back into those coins. So right now we're in a great position with the overall market in terms of technicals, in terms of all these options expiring. Things have turned around quite a bit. Quick update on one coin I wanted to talk about in particular was with Torum. The other day we did a video on Torum. The symbol for this, the crypto symbol, is XTM. Currently it's traded on KuCoin, one of my favorite platforms for buying some metaverse cryptocurrencies. And Torum is trying to revolutionize the entire social finance space. They're a Web 3.0 platform that combines all the aspects we love of social media. You could, have your own account, post on it, but also integrates NFTs, NFT avatars, decentralized finance, and more. So all of this is very exciting with Torum, and I wanted to just do a quick little update on this because they have been making a couple of big moves since we last spoke. They've officially surpassed that 170,000 users on their platform, and while it still is very early on for this coin, I think this is going to be a massive, massive gainer through the next part of this bull market, and it's going to be a coin that you definitely want to be involved with. I've personally invested my own money into this project, and one that I am very, very bullish on. Last thing I want to talk about is a meme coin that I've gotten. I can't even tell you how many requests for this meme coin. I've gotten hundreds of requests to talk about this meme coin, and the only way I felt right talking about it was not owning it because it is a small cap, very micro cap meme coin. So I do not own any of this meme coin, but I've gotten a lot of requests, so I wanted to do a bit of a review on it. The coin I wanted to talk about today is Pixie Inu. When I look at the project, the first thing that comes to my mind, okay, it's a dog coin. There's a lot of dog coins out there. But there's a couple key differences with this, which I found pretty interesting. The first is obviously these graphics are really, really well done, high quality. The website, high quality as well. But that's not enough. You know, if I was going to invest in a meme coin, high quality website, you can make in a couple of minutes. So what I did is I did a bit of digging after we talked in the Discord about it. And I looked at their white paper, looked at their tokenomics, looked at their roadmap. And the interesting thing about Pixie Inu is that what they're trying to do is not just be a meme coin, not just be a play-to-earn NFT game. They're trying to create an entire metaverse for, they specifically say, the Inu generation of tokens. So many people who want to get involved in this, there's potentially a lot of upside because it has a very small market cap, but they have a very interesting roadmap moving forward. So anyone who feels like they might have missed out, this market cap is around a couple $1 million. It's a pretty small project, and there's definitely a lot of upside. So some things that they say they're planning on doing in their roadmap are either are already planning on launching or currently developing are a staking platform, number one, an NFT collection, an internal NFT marketplace, play-to-earn NFT game, and a Pixie Inu arcade. Not only that, though, but they said that Pixie tokens are also going to be used for staking in the future on the Pixie platform, allowing the generation of staking rewards in the unique currency of Treat. That's going to be the symbol for the staking rewards currency. So they have a lot of exciting stuff going on, and a lot of tokens, you know, similar to this, could have similar things. But the one thing I found pretty interesting about Pixie Inu was not just all of these different things that they're talking about in their roadmap, not just the website, but the last thing I found pretty interesting was actually when you take a look a little bit deeper at their tokenomics and their roadmap. So the first thing with their tokenomics, right now, in terms of total supply, the total supply is right at 1 trillion coins. That is not so high when you're talking about meme coins or crypto. A lot of them have a lot higher supply. The second thing is that they're burning a significant amount of tokens. 20% of the tokens were burned at the initial launch of the token. So that was, you know, people like to see scarcity. People like to see that. Third thing is that they're continuing to burn tokens as the project continues to develop over time, about 19.7% of that. And, you know, there's a bunch of other things that aren't as crucial, but ultimately they are, you know, burning tokens. They don't have that large of a supply, and all of that is pretty good when you're talking about a meme coin. Last thing is going to be with the roadmap. When I look at the roadmap, right now, their website, V1 launch, I think that already happened. Now we're on V2. They talk about being listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. So it's very new still, but ultimately when you look at development, when you look at what they're planning on doing in terms of CEX listings, they have a lot of exciting stuff to look forward to. So like I said, I don't own this coin. There's no reason for me to pump this coin up. It's not going to benefit my wallet for this coin to double, triple, quadruple, 10x in price. I don't own it. But I wanted to talk about it because everyone has been asking me to talk about Pixie Inu in the comments, been private messaging me on Discord, been private messaging me on Instagram, and I thought it was worth giving it a look. Last couple things about this coin. So while I don't own it right now, like I've said, and I'm not going to buy it at least until a couple days after the video if I do, which I'll let you guys know in the Discord. But right now, what I see with this is that they're not just a normal meme coin, because most meme coins, they just throw together a website. They just throw together something basically that I can make in an hour or two, a website, and they put some images on the website. It's very easy to do, and it's very easy for anyone to make a crypto. The difference with this one is that you could see there's high quality designs. You could see all of the effort they've put into this, and the roadmap is really detailed. They've written dozens of articles on Medium, which is a platform to, write articles about their roadmap, about their tokenomics, about how to buy it, about just an introduction, why they came up with the idea in the first place. So as a result of this, I think it's an interesting project. If people want to get into it, I think there's definitely a lot of upside to the project. The only thing that I looked at that, I would maybe like better, that I would say, okay, this is a better buy than what we're already seeing, is if the team was a little bit more transparent on the website. Right now, when you see a number of projects, all of the team members, potentially for any project that you see online, could be fake. These could very well be real. They could be fake. You never know. But the key thing here is that maybe in the future, as they continue to develop and continue to, grow, maybe they reveal exactly who are these 4 team members. We see Kyoshi, Yoda, Omni Finance, the Great Baba. Those are obviously not their names. So seeing in the future that maybe we'll see names of these people released, seeing that they're a little bit more transparent, maybe get fully doxed, that would definitely be another push to make me want to invest. But when looking at a meme coin, you got to look at all of these different things. You have to look at, have they been audited? You have to look at what is going on with their roadmap. You have to look at what's going on with the tokenomics. You have to look at what's going on with the team. And all of that right now for this project, it is still very early on, too early for me to invest personally. But if you're looking to take a bit of a risk, you want to say, you want to see 100, 200x gains. Like, this coin is very possible. It's very easy to see that happen. So we'll see what happens there. They're going to be releasing their own NFT collection soon. They are releasing a number of things on their Twitter, their Telegram, and in their Discord. So let me know your thoughts on this project. I personally love the graphics. The graphics are probably the most interesting one I've seen, especially these little GIFs they have moving on the screen. And I like the roadmap. So maybe as they continue to roll out more and more, I'll invest in it personally. But as of this moment, I do not own any. I am not making this video just to pump up my own holdings. I don't own any of this coin. But if you'd like, you can go ahead and buy it. Just going to their website, click buy, and it is on Uniswap. Remember, any coin you buy on Uniswap has high gas fees. Doesn't matter what coin you buy, every single coin has high gas fees. There's no way to get around that. So that's what's going on with this coin. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm really curious to see your thoughts on it because I know this was a highly requested coin to talk about. So let me know your thoughts on Pixie Inu. Let me know your thoughts on Torum and all the other things going on with the market. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.